guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my minifig club unboxing. Gonna see what we got today. Yeah. What month is this for? January?
January, I think? Yeah.
I guess.
It's
Can't even remember. So they give you a little postcard. We could share your ideas with them. There's always like a challenge you can do. They also send a bookmark, a sticker, a smaller sticker which goes on this postcard that you can redeem for a gift once you fill it up. This is cute. Spiders everywhere, a little postcard. And then also a magnet. And then this package has our piece of the month, which is that a camera?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Or a walkie-talkie? Nope, a camera. So we have that. Then we also have enough pieces in here to make 3 full minifigures, and then have a couple pieces left over. So the first piece is a mech little robot guy's head. We have, why does that look familiar? It looks like a skunk or something? What is that?
Or like a gorilla.
Interesting. We'll have to ask Dad. He knows all about the Legos. The Lego people. Then we have this one. Looks like Tony Stark. Not sure if it actually is. And then this guy that has some stubble on his face. So we have 4 heads, 3 body pieces. So that one's like a girl's dress, some blue ripped pants, and then I like those little Halloween. Has like a little skull and stuff hanging from there. And then 3 chest pieces. So we have 2 that are girls. And the last one is a little jacket with some slime or some stuff on it. Then you get a bag of miscellaneous accessories. So this is fun if your kids like playing with the little people. Got a sword. That's cool. It's one of those Ninjago guys.
Eagle hat.
A broom. Plain red hat.
Probably firefighter hat.
Yep, there's a carrot and a 2 piece. Yep.
So you put them together.
A wrench, an axe, scarecrow hat.
Yeah.
Little vine, and binoculars. So it's a really cool subscription that is actual Lego pieces. You will not find fake or rip-off, knockoff Legos in this subscription. If you guys want to join, I'll put all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.